What you don't believe is ruining your life. Can you imagine? Yes, that's right. The fact that you may not believe that you have a sixth sense that is in your heart, in your gut, is reliable, can guide you, and is necessary to succeed in life, it's ruining your life. Because what's happening instead is that your ego is running your life, and it doesn't believe anything is good for you. Your ego will never be good enough, smart enough, secure enough, safe enough. It'll always be patrolling the borders, telling you that you're not okay and life isn't okay, and don't ever think otherwise. So, do you believe that? And are you willing to live at that low vibration frequency? I hope not. My name is Sonia Choquette. Thanks for tuning in. This is today the time that we have to see the clock is ticking. Our beliefs are ruining our lives to the point that they're stressing them out so much with anxiety, trauma, drama, anxiousness, anger, belly aches, that they're really cutting our lives short, actually unplugging them, and so unnecessary. Honest to goodness, change your beliefs. You will change your frequency. Change your frequency, you will change your vibration. And change your vibration, you will change your life. And that is the way it goes. So let's look at your beliefs. Do you believe you have an sixth sense? Or do you believe it's a weird thing? Or do you believe it's reliable? How about this, and the most important? Do you believe your sixth sense is the most important above all, and that you need to pay attention no matter what anybody says around you? Well, that's what this whole transformational energy on the planet is about. The universe is being so loving and saying, okay, you guys, we have given you every opportunity to wake up and get on board, and for whatever reasons, you are really slow. So we're going to just tweak the vibration on this planet and make you need your sixth sense to navigate forward, because necessity is the mother of invention. And if you're going to hold yourself back by belief, you're going to suffer and you're going to be left behind. So I want to teach you to get those beliefs that have been poured into you out of you and start to recognize what even science recognizes through quantum physics. We are energetic beings, and we can communicate in a non-localized way. And that's just a fancy way of saying you don't have to be right in front of me for me to tune into you or to tune into the energy around me. I have the ability as an energetic being to tune in to, and I don't see it, sense it, smell it, taste it. I feel it. And I don't feel it like an emotion. I feel it like a vibration. And that vibration is communicating information that I need to make the best decisions. So don't be caught in the dark ages, and don't let your own beliefs take you out. And don't be stubborn, and don't be fixed, and certainly recognize, why do I believe what I believe? Who told me this? Where did do I believe this because someone told me to believe it when I was too little to really discern for myself? Is it just a bad habit? Because right now, your beliefs shape your world. And if what you believe says my world has to be miserable, well, you're still a magical being who's going to create that, but you're really going to create a miserable experience. If you believe what is true, which is I am an energetic spirit that has absolute access to the quantum field, to divine unlimited energy, I just have to learn how to use it. I have to undo my beliefs and bring and integrate not only new beliefs, but new practices that allow these new beliefs to start shaping the frequency of who I am to create a better vibration. Then I can do this. You've learned what you've learned. You have to unlearn it. And I'm here to tell you that it's your last chance. I'm here to show you how to learn something new. I have been waiting for this moment 4 years. I've written over 30 books about what we're doing right now. I have taught around the world. I have talked to people everywhere. And what I am here to share with you is I'll teach you how to get those beliefs out of your way that are holding you back, and teach you how to level up and get this missing piece up and running like that for free. But it's your last chance, because I've been running a 3-day boot camp. Today's the last day. You don't want to miss it. Click the link below, because this boot camp is going to give you the tools you need. And guess what? You won't have to believe me. I know what I'm doing. And when you get the tools you need to get those beliefs and those obstacles and those miscreations out of your way, you will have immediate evidence from your own experience that by leveling up and letting your sixth sense take over, you can immediately start manifesting. You're not being tormented by being told over and over and over again, you are a spiritual being, you are a manifester, you can create what you want. You've just been given incomplete instruction. So please click the link below, join me for this free boot camp that I'll give you complete, practical, grounded, evidence-bearing instructions on how to level up and start living at this higher frequency, the way you're designed to be, what your glorious spirit nature wants you to have, and get those experiences that you yearn for manifesting quickly, joyfully now. So click the link below, and I just look forward to welcoming you to my free 3-day boot camp. So level up, grab the missing piece, and live a spirit-guided life. All my love, thanks for tuning in. If you're new, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell for notification, but mostly click the link below. See you there. Bye, everyone.